Hey there, tax filers. If you're navigating the world of TurboTax for 2025 and need to add a dependent, you're in the right place. Whether it's a child, relative, or someone else who qualifies, getting this right can make a big difference in your tax return. In this full guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your TurboTax account set up. If you haven't already, head to the TurboTax website or app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. That's your starting point. Step 1. Navigate to the Personal Info section. This is usually found on the main menu. Here, TurboTax will ask about your filing status and family situation. Look for the option that says, Add a dependent, or something similar. It's designed to be user-friendly. Next, you'll need to gather your dependent's details. This includes their full name, date of birth, social security number, and your relationship to them. TurboTax will prompt you through a series of questions to ensure everything is accurate. Remember, accuracy is key to avoid any IRS issues down the line. Step 2. Enter the dependent information carefully. You'll be asked if they lived with you, how much you provided for their support, and if they have any income. TurboTax has helpful tips along the way, like qualifying rules for 2025, such as the updated income thresholds. After that, double-check everything. TurboTax often has a review page where you can verify details before saving. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can edit it easily. Finally, once you've added your dependent, continue with the rest of your tax filing. TurboTax will adjust your deductions and credits automatically based on this info. And that's it. You've just made your tax process a whole lot smoother. If you run into any snags, TurboTax has excellent customer support, or you can check the IRS website for the latest 2025 guidelines. Thanks for watching, and happy filing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tax tips. See you next time.